TUhkyjuh. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. This channel is all about me, fun, randomness, and craziness. If you are returning, thank y'all so much. We're on a journey to 100,000 subscribers, and I wouldn't be on this journey without you all. So I'm feeling really calm. It's been a day this morning, but I wanted to do an updated get ready with me or morning routine, because we're not really getting ready. I'm not doing anything today, but we're gonna do an updated morning routine. That's why I look crazy. I just got back from the gym, but I didn't do like my morning routine as far as like my Palo Santo and all that stuff, but I'm really doing like my bath and shower routine because everybody or a lot of people were interested in my routine last time, so there are a few updates to mine, so I just wanted to display that for you all. So this is going to be audio relaxing only. No voiceover, nothing. All the products that I use will be listed on the screen and down below in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get into it. Okay, so I'm gonna take off my eye patches. I put on one of my Just a Slut from the 90s t-shirts. So I'm gonna finish up this get ready with me with my Melee, whatever, SPF. Black people, wear your SPF every day. Just gonna rub it on in. I don't really do my hair because I work from home, so I don't really need to. So my hair will probably stay like this, but I am gonna twist it up probably in a day or so. But actually, let me put on a headband to hide these edges. Hold on. This is my updated get ready with me video. So outside of this, I will usually make a fresh cup of tea. I'll take all my vitamins. I will make sure I do my affirmations and my Palo Santo in the morning, but I'm gonna post that on Instagram and TikTok. I just wanted to do my updated body routine. I almost make this like just a relaxing video. Relaxing spa music, getting it all together. I am so moisturized. My skin is so dewy right now and so hydrated. I'm gonna go drink a big old bottle of water. I'm gonna go take all my vitamins and we're gonna have a great day today. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, hit that damn button right now. I have some more great content coming to you all and I'm so thankful that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.